Also SD card model for Arduino. And I ordered this one for, I got two for about €1. Also they are really cheap, or they cost nearly nothing. I broke this one. Yeah, they wasn't of really good quality, but yeah, of course I can get it back. It's not a big problem. But anyway, they're really cheap, and I tried them. They was working really good. This one is actually connected, and it works really good. And you can see how simple it is to connect it. Like everything else with Arduino, really simple, and it works actually plus minus and 4-wire. In the code below this video, you can find how to connect it. It is simple, and code below it is working. I tried it. Also for those SD card model, those cheap ones, they are just for. They are actually rather big. They are about 5 cm, 3 cm. And actually, I couldn't find those for mini cards, but probably you can find them. Yeah. And also, it's not so much about it. It is just how to connect it, and code is below. Also, it is simple. Really simple.